Hello everyone, myself Dr. Somo Ghosh. Today I will present a topic, renewable energy needs. Okay, so why renewable energy is important in near future? So let's start a topic. The sources of energy. There are 10 different alternative sources of energy that can be used in the world to generate power. However, the sources are being discovered all the time. None of them has reached the stage where they can be used to provide the power to help modern life function. All of these are different sources of energy are used in primarily to produce electricity. The world runs on a sources of energy and a series of electrical reaction that can be driving or the light you are turning on phase. All of these different sources of energy add to the store of electric power that is can send out of different location via high power cables or lines. The sources of energy can be form of low efficiency to high efficiency. There are different kind of sources of energy, for example, wood, coal, oil, natural gas and hydrogen. The next is the energy future. The energy future defined for four main parts: GDP and population growth, urbanization, demand management is respect to the technology and policy. Present day power sector scenario, the maximum power sector in India and production in thermal. Thermal means that depends on coal. Next is the renewable energy like wind, ocean power, or solar, biomass, biogas. Next one is hydropower. Last one is 2% of nuclear power. The global direct primary energy consumption. Let's first take a look at how global energy production, both in terms quantity and sources, has changes for over the long term. In the visualization, we have plotted the global energy consumption from 1800 through the 2018. This chart to view, this is the absolute number of the percentage of the global total consumption. Okay. So next one is primary direct energy consumption in world. In the chart, we see the primary energy consumption to 1965 to 2090 aggregated by continental region. Note that This dataset only include commercially traded fuel, coal, oil and gas, nuclear and modern renewables. This means that traditional biofuel are not included. As a result, in figure likely small underestimate for the region. Okay. In 1965, the bulk of total energy has consumed to North America, Europe, etc. All through the energy consumption has increased the region of 1960. The relatively share the total has declined significantly and the consumption of the rest of the world has increasing most dramatically in the Asia Pacific. The total consumption increased more than 12-fold over the period. Okay. So, what is renewable energy? Okay. The most common definition of renewable energy is from an energy resource that is replaced rapidly by a natural process, such as power generated from the sun or from the wind. Most renewable from the energy other than geothermal, tidal, etc. come from the suns. Some forms are the stored solar energy such as rainfall and wind power, which are considered short-term solar energy storage. Whereas the energy is biomass accumulated over the period of month. Okay, through many years as in wood. Capturing renewable energy by plants, animals and humans does not permanently deplete the resource. The renewable energy resource may be used for directly or used to create other more convenient forms of energy. For example, the direct use for solar ovens, geothermal heating and water and windmill. The next is the types of renewable energy like solar energy, wind energy, ocean energy, hydro energy, biogas energy and geothermal energy. The solar energy is obtained from the sun. The main technology are here the solar photovoltaic, using light from the sun. Wind energy, the energy obtained from the wind. Biomass and bioenergy is the energy extracted from organic material. Like ocean energy is the energy obtained from ocean wave. Okay. And geothermal energy, the heat energy from inside the earth. This graph plotted the renewable energy investment in 2004 to 2015. This graph has we see global investment in renewable technology in 2004 to 2015. The 2004 the world invested 47 billion USD. By 2015 had increased the 286 billion USD. The increase more than 600%. The investment has grown across all regions, but all significantly different rates. Growth has been greatest in China, increasing the 3 billion USD in 2004 to 103 billion USD by 2015, near about 3,400%. The China is now the largest single investor in renewable technologies. costing approximately same as the United States, Europe, also our country in India in combined. This picture is define the electricity production of renewable energy. This map denoted in worldwide. The maximum renewable energy production near about the Paraguay, Namibia and Democratic Republic of Congo, Norway is the maximum because the 100% in maximum effort of the 100% in renewable energy. Also less than 100%, 90% like that Kenya, also and Afghanistan, and near India is the maximum like northeast region, like hill area. Why renewable energy for India? Because the day-to-day population also increase, then power also shortage, rising price of oil and gas, ecological hazard, abundant sunshine, increased financing options and job opportunity. Next one is the energy capacity in India. The solar, photovoltaic and onshore wind have seen strong growth, overtaking for the first time investment in the thermal power generation in 2018 to reach 175 gigawatt by 2022 and 450 gigawatt. System integration became as a priority. And last conclusion part is presently the bulk of the world power is provided from fossil fuel. Reserve of fossil fuel are decreasing and will soon be insufficient to support growing energy needs. The most likely replacement for fossil fuel will be nuclear power, which are already has significant infrastructure in developed nation. Where nuclear power is the most obvious solution, many nations turning other sources as hydroelectric, geothermal power energy also needs. Most likely energy in situation, the future will be a combination of nuclear, solar, hydroelectric and other resources, some of which only marginally developed at the present time. So nuclear power is like to be the most significant, and also near about the solar, wind, ocean is also in developed in our country, because population increase in day to day, then power also shortage. It is not only the visible power source that will be in that future. Thank you.